you think a minimalist family home looks like? Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and I live in this condo with my two little boys and my husband. Starting from right here is our front door. We walk straight into our living room. We decided to hang our TV, and we don't use this fireplace, so therefore it's safe to have the TV up there. And then we just have one chair and our couch and some plants in this room. We used to have a lot of kids' toys down here and extra tables that we ended up getting rid of. In our dining room, and this way is our kitchen. And about halfway through my decluttering journey, I decided to take some of these shelves down. We used to have one extra shelf on either side, and I realized the less shelves that I have, the less clutter and junk I tend to put up there. So I've just simplified this area, and I like to use plants way more than ever before for decor because I feel that it's a nice way to bring some life into the room without having a lot of little cluttery knickknacks. Here is our kitchen. The biggest change in our kitchen is I used to have a lot more dishes, especially cups, and I used to store a lot of items on the counter, and now I like to keep the counters as clear as possible, and we really only take out what we're gonna use and then put it away after. Let me show you in our cupboard. Over here we keep the dishes that we use every day because they're very accessible, and then all of the dishes we don't use very often but we keep for parties, we store in another cupboard. At first glance, if you were to walk into our home, you might just think, oh, it's neat and tidy, they don't have a ton of furniture. But I feel that when you start opening cupboards is when you would really notice the difference, and you wouldn't see a whole bunch of clothes overflowing out of the closets, and you would notice in the kitchen we only have the items that we really need and use every day. I redid this shelf decor, and I can link the video above. As you head up the stairs, you can see, again, more of my husband's artwork, and the stairs wrap around here. To the left here is the boys' room. Our boys absolutely love sharing a room. Until we started decluttering, I never thought we'd be able to fit all of the toys and all of the clothes into one bedroom. But over time, through this journey, we've been able to declutter enough items to get it down to what we really use and love, and now everything can fit in one room for our boys. As you walk out of the boys' room and you come out, turn left, you are now in our newly converted office guest room. So this is a pull-out couch that turns into a bed, and more art, a little desk area. Behind this curtain we have all of our art supplies, and we went to a curtain instead of a door because we found it a lot easier to get in and out of this tiny closet. All of the bedrooms go out onto this large upstairs landing, and this is where we've put an armoire for all of our sheets and blankets because this home really does not have that much storage. And then as you turn here is the main bathroom. My husband completely redid this bathroom when we first moved in here. He made a custom cupboard and sink for us, and we just absolutely love it. This is where we keep our towels, and yes, we are washing some right now, but we don't have that many towels since becoming more minimal. And then in through here is our bedroom. Now we're in our bedroom, and my husband made this custom headboard, which I can link down below how he made it. We decided on 2 simple side tables and lamps because there's no overhead lighting. So this is our only way to get light in this room. My husband has opted to put nothing in his drawers. But I just think it all ties together really well, and I decided to keep everything white because I like it to be super bright in here. I think it's an easy way to decorate, and then you can switch colors whenever you want. And then I just got these curtains to kind of soften it up in here and take away the glare. On this side of the bedroom, I have my little office area, which is where I can do all my videos and my blogging, and it's just an extra space that I can use for myself. Here is my closet. We put in these closet doors when we moved in here, and it's made such a difference in the way this whole room looks. Not much in here, so it's becoming more minimal. I have a capsule wardrobe, and I can link that video. But this is kind of the typical look of my closet with all my clothes. And then my husband keeps his clothes in there. And then this is a photo from when we got married. We had a 1950s themed wedding. And then in here we just have a really simple bathroom. Very tiny, and we just redid this. I can link the before and after of this bathroom too. And if you head out here, you can see our little mini patio. If you were to keep continuing, you would go into our garage. And we do have an outdoor washer and dryer, and I'll link the patio before and after video above and below. And we decided to just make it a little bit more cozy out here by adding this cover and adding the rug. And we call this the Laundromat Cafe. My husband did this art. My husband also made this window box for me. Obviously my husband's a woodworker. He has his own channel, woodgluru.com, and I'll put that below, but he made these boxes. And we painted this, and then he also made this planter box here and this one. Click right here to see our decluttering for a year video where I show our home before and after for an entire year of decluttering. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join our Simple Living channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!